Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we're diving into the fascinating world of Framer AI. In this video we'll explore what Framer AI is, how it works, and how it's revolutionizing the way we design and prototype. Whether you're a seasoned designer or developer or just getting started, you won't want to miss this. Let's get started. So Framer AI is a new tool from Framer that allows users to generate websites with AI prompts, which we're not new to. We've gone over quite a few builders that use AI and use prompts written by you to generate your website. So it's not a new concept, but this is another website builder that does it really well. It's still in beta, but it still has the potential to revolutionize the way websites are designed and built. So here's how you get started. We have Framer AI here, and you have the actual prompt box in here. So users simply need to provide a brief prompt describing the desired website. The AI then generates a complete website design, including layout, copy, and styling, and users can customize that design to their liking before actually publishing it. So let's do a prompt here. Website. We'll look for a modern design website for a digital marketing company, and just click start with AI. Framer AI works by using a variety of AI techniques, including NLP and computer vision. NLP will use the user prompt, and it involves breaking down the prompt into its constituent parts, identifying the key features of a desired website, and it will use that to understand the prompt, and then uses the computer vision, CV, to generate a layout for the website. And this involves choosing appropriate elements for websites like headings, paragraphs, images, and buttons, and arranging them in a visually appealing way. The AI will then generate copy for the website based on the user's prompt and the layout that it has generated. The AI also chooses appropriate colors and fonts for the website. So you can see we have to continue with creating an account. So we can either continue with Google or continue with email, whichever one you prefer. And once you have your account created, you can see AI generating your website. Once the copy has been generated, the AI will then generate styling for the website, and this involves applying the colors, fonts, and other design elements to the elements of the website. The entire process of generating a website with Framer AI just takes a few seconds. You can see we've got a basic layout here, still generating our pages, but it's already got quite a few done already. So you can generate a website for new startups and things like that. You just want to make sure that the prompt you give it is as descriptive as possible. So for example, a website for a new startup that sells eco-friendly clothing, the website should have clean and modern design and should focus on the benefits of the company products. Framer AI would then generate a website with the following features. They'd have a clean and modern layout, appropriate colors and fonts, relevant copy, and a focus on the benefits, companies, and products. So users can customize the website to their liking before publishing it, but it's really kind of a good starting point to have. So you can see our website is generated here, and you can see the layout. It's very similar to something like the design program like Figma, where you have all of the pages kind of listed here, and then we've got the home page, and we can add more pages as well, and then we've got the different layouts of it. So what we can do now is we can go over and add pages as well. You'll see on the left side here we have a toolbar, and it basically shows the different pages and the different assets that we can have. So if you want to control the pages, you just want to click add page and then type in the page that you want to create. You can also add a CMS sample if you wanted to create collections, for example like a blog or a product collection as well. And then you've got the top. So the top here is like a toolbar where you can insert pages, you can insert sections, and really build out your site. You've also got the layout tab, and that's going to help you add some layouts like rows and columns or a grid section. You can add text. You can add text to your website as well, CMS actions, all of that. And then you've got your actual website So you see we've got the theme here. What you want to do first thing when you use any of these kind of website builders is to make sure that you have the styling that you want. So you can see you've got the theme using these colors here. What you want to do is make sure that you have the theme exactly how you want it. So if you're not happy with those colors, you want to just make sure that you are using colors that you are happy with. And you can use the shuffle to kind of shuffle through different colors. And you can basically just click on each element and decide where you want to link to. Framer AI is still under development, but it has the potential to make website design more accessible and efficient for everyone. You can see you've got some collaboration features as well. If you click on the comments button, you can add comments to each section of the website. If you are working with other designers or developers, you can decide if you want different comments and be able to collaborate with sites and be able to collaborate in different ways as well. So for example, if we go on the About page and we click Insert, we can insert different pages, for example, or sections. So for example, we'll add this section as like a hero section, and you can see we've got this hero section here, and all we need to do then is just click on each bit of the text and just change, you know, what we're writing, what we're doing as well. You could also use some animation features to see if you want animations as well, and then you just click and add section by section what it is that you want to add. So we're going to add some like text area as well. And then we're going to add maybe like an About section and a final kind of call to contact section. So you can see within a few seconds I've just created a whole page. Obviously it needs some styling and it needs content, but I've essentially just created a whole page layout, and the only thing I need to do now is just actually style it to how I want it. You can see I can click into each section and really change all the styling. I can change the text styles, colors, fonts. I can change the background styling as well. If I wanted to change like the background color of things, I can do that as well. What's also really cool is that we can use AI to essentially build out sections as well. So I can type in the little prompt and just ask them to build out a section for About page as well. So it's really cool that way. We can add individual elements. If you don't want to add a full-on section, we can add individual elements like media, interactive elements, icons, things like that. I can go into the text section and see all the text and just make sure we have that changed. So overall, it's a really good way to get a website really quickly and build out certain sections really quickly as well. Once you're happy with your final website design, you just want to hit publish to actually publish your site. You get a free AI domain, which isn't the most SEO friendly domain because it does have the .framer subdomain. So what you want to do is pick a site plan. So the free plan will let you publish a domain with a subdomain, but a site plan will actually let you use a plan that will allow you to use a custom domain. So you've got the 3 mini, basic and pro plans. Each have their own features, each have their own benefits. So the free plan that you have on default allows you to generate and publish unlimited websites, but there are limitations like the number of visitors and storage space. The mini plan is around £4 a month, or if you do the yearly, or if it's £8 a month if you do it monthly. It's obviously a lot cheaper to do yearly. And it gives users access to more features like a custom domain, 1,000 visitors a month, and you get one CMS collection as well with that. The basic plan is about £12 a month if you do go yearly, and it gives more features on top of the custom domain one. You get 10,000 visitor a month as well. You still get only one CMS collection though, so if you're planning to have more than one CMS collection, you want to look for something like the Pro plan. So you get all of these features, but you get 10 CMS collections. You also get translations. You also get an increased amount of visitors every month as well, so it's up to you which plan that you want to go for. They also have a number of team plans as well, so if you are working as part of a group, or you know other people in your team will also be using this, then a team plan would probably be a lot more helpful. You get more storage, you get more of a version history as well, and you also get up to a certain number of accounts. So the basic plan will give you 5 editors and 10 editors. They also have the option for a custom plan if you are a bigger enterprise and you really want to maximize your options as possible using Framer AI. So what sort of businesses suits the use of Framer AI? It's suitable for all sizes, from startups and large enterprises, but it's especially well suited for businesses that need to create and launch websites really quickly. So startups can use Framer AI to create a professional website without having to invest in a developer, and this can save time and money as well. It can also help them get their product or service to market a lot faster. It can also help small businesses to create a website that looks professional and polished, even if they don't have a web design experience. It can help small businesses to compete with larger businesses online. It can help marketing and advertising agencies to create landing pages for their campaigns really quickly and easily. It can help agencies to be more responsive to their clients' needs and launch campaigns more quickly. It can help web design agencies to create prototypes for their clients before they start development. This can help agencies get feedback from clients really early in the process to ensure that the final product actually meets their expectations. And it can also help freelancers offer web design services to their clients without having to actually learn code. This can help freelancers to expand their service offerings and to attract more clients. Overall, Framer AI is a versatile tool that can be used by businesses of all sizes and in a variety of industries. It is especially well suited for businesses that need to create and launch websites really quickly and easily. Let's talk a little bit deeper about the pros and cons of Framer AI. In terms of advantages, there are a number of advantages that we've seen, especially speed and efficiency being one of them. We can complete a website design in seconds without the need to write any code or draw any rectangles or anything like that. This can save businesses a significant amount of time and money. And the work that we've seen is really high quality. We've got high quality designs that are responsive. The AI is trained on a massive data set of real world websites, so it knows how to create designs that are both visually appealing and functional. They're not out of date designs, they're quite modern. And they're more accessible to non-technical users. So anyone with an idea for a website can use Framer AI to create a prototype without having to learn web development skills. It's very affordable, especially compared to the cost of hiring a web developer. In addition to these advantages, Framer AI can also offer specific benefits to businesses in different industries. So for example, Framer AI can be used to generate landing pages for marketing campaigns, create product pages for online stores, generate portfolio designs, website for freelancers and agencies, and also build websites for small businesses and startups. So it's really powerful, it's very versatile, and you can see a number of advantages to using that for any type of business really. But as with anything, there are some cons that you should be aware of. Again, as mentioned before, it's still under development and its ability to customize website is limitless. But businesses that need a highly customized website may not be able to achieve their desired results using Framer AI. There is a slight learning curve. Businesses that are very, very new to AI-based design may need some time to learn how to use it effectively. But it's not a replacement for professional web development skills. Businesses that need a complex, feature-rich website, especially e-commerce or like a subscription-based website, should still consider working with a web developer because they can offer a level of complexity that some of these website builders like Framer AI can't support just yet. There is a lack of support for certain features like e-commerce functionality and back-end integration. So businesses that need these features, you wouldn't be able to use Framer AI anyway. Another thing to keep in mind is that it's a very new tool. There's not as much documentation or support available as there are for more established website builders like Wix, Joomla, Drupal, things like that. It's still under development, so you might expect some bugs or unexpected behavior. And again, it's not a replacement for a professional web developer if you need a complex or feature-rich website. It's still quite a promising tool, I believe. It's important to be aware of the potential cons before using it. I think Framer AI is very promising. It has the potential to revolutionize the way websites are built. Framer AI is still under development, but it has come a long way. It can now generate high-quality websites that are responsive, SEO-friendly, and accessible to non-technical users. I do think that Framer AI will have a significant impact on the design industry in the coming years, and it will make design more accessible and efficient for everyone. The way Framer AI and a lot of these AI website builders are going to change the industry. I think it's because more people will be able to create their own websites, even if they don't have any design experience, but also create nice and visually appealing looking websites instead of templates that are quite outdated. Websites will be designed a lot and launched a lot faster, and they'll be a lot more responsive and SEO friendly. So Framer AI is trained on a massive data set of real world websites, so it knows how to create designs that are both visually appealing and functional. Overall, I think Framer AI is a very exciting new tool with the potential to make web design more accessible, efficient, and collaborative. So I'm looking forward to see how it evolves in the coming years and how it impacts the web and design industry. Overall, I think the use of AI website builders will only get better and better. I think a lot of the problems that we've seen so far with AI website design builders and in general website builders like the Wix ADI is that some of the designs can be a bit outdated. So Framer AI, I think, kind of is working to solve that as well with some of the designs that's come up with that we've seen. So on that, we can take a look at some other AI website builders that are out there. So AI website creators, also known as AI-powered website builders or AI website generators, are tools that utilize artificial intelligence technology to automate and simplify the process of creating websites. These platforms leverage machine learning algorithms to generate websites quickly and easily, often without any coding or technical skills. Some key points about AI web creators include drag and drop interfaces. So most AI web creators often use a user-friendly and drag and drop interface that allows users to select and place elements like text, images, videos, and forms onto their website, and this eliminates the need for manual coding. AI website creators also provide a range of pre-designed templates to choose from, covering various industries and styles. Users can select a template and use that as a starting point, and then customize it according to their preferences, including colors, fonts, layouts, and lots more. AI website builders often use content generation capabilities, including text and image suggestions. These AI algorithms can analyze your content and provide relevant suggestions, helping you create engaging and professional-looking websites a lot more efficiently. AI website creators also ensure that the websites generated are responsive, meaning they adapt and display well on different devices like desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. This is important to provide an optimal browsing experience for visitors across different platforms. AI website creators often include SEO features to help optimize your website for better SEO rankings. They may provide recommendations on meta tags, keywords, and other SEO elements to improve your site's visibility and attracting more organic traffic as well. Many AI website builders come with built-in e-commerce features, enabling users to create online stores, and that includes features like product catalogs, shopping carts, payment gateways, and order management systems. This allows businesses to sell products and services directly through their websites. And lastly, analytics and tracking. So some AI website builders integrate analytics and tracking tools that allow you to monitor website performance. It also allows you to track visitor behavior, gain insights into user engagements as well. This data can help you make informed decisions about improving your website and marketing strategies as well. ADI. So Wix is a well-known web builder that offers AI technology called the Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence. Wix ADI assists in creating personalized websites by asking a series of questions and generating a customized website based on the user responses. It also provides a traditional drag and drop editor for more advanced customization. Another popular website builder is Weebly, and Weebly also incorporates AI technology. It offers a user-friendly interface with drag and drop functionality and provides an AI-powered website called Weebly Promote. Weebly Promote assists users in creating and managing email marketing campaigns. Next up is Squarespace, and Squarespace is known for its visually appealing templates and intuitive design interface. While it doesn't have a dedicated AI feature, it utilizes machine learning algorithms to offer personalized design suggestions and layout options based on user preferences. Next up is Jimdo, and Jimdo is a really popular website builder that uses AI to generate websites quickly. It offers an AI-powered tool called Jimdo Dolphin, which creates websites based on information provided by the user. Jimdo Dolphin also provides the option for manual customization using a drag and drop editor. And lastly, we have Site123. So Site123 is a user-friendly web builder that incorporates AI technology to simplify the website creation process. It offers an intelligent assistant that guides users through the setup and customization of their websites. Site123 provides various templates and allows for easy content and management. To get started with the Site123, you just want to go into the site123.com website, and you can find the link in the bio below. And what you want to do is just click on Start Here to start building your website using their free website builder. The first thing that they'll ask you is what type of website do you want to create. If it's a normal kind of portfolio website, blog website, a simple landing page, or an online store. In this video, we're going to try building a blog. And then they'll ask you for what kind of blog are you going to be writing about. And they'll give you some options like fashion and beauty, travel and tourism, recreation and sport, things like that. If none of them actually match what your blog is promoting, that's no problem. It'll just ask you to click here and then you can move on to the next step. In this video, we're just going to use business marketing as our example. And then you just want to give your business or marketing blog a name. And then you just want to sign up as the final step. And again, at this point, everything is free. There's nothing that you need to pay for right now. So you can either sign up with Google, with Facebook, or just sign up with your normal website and phone number and email. It will then start loading your editor and building up your site. Some key features of Site123 is that it's very easy to use. It's designed to be very beginner friendly, providing a simple and intuitive website creation process, and you can choose from a variety of templates as well and customize them to suit your needs. So you'll start off here in your website dashboard, and this is where you'll kind of manage your site if you wanted to edit it, upgrade to a different domain, manage your site settings, any messages, blogs, things like that. It'll all be set up here. What you want to do first, so you have the blog set up here, and what you want to do is click into edit to start editing your blog website. And you can see it's already kind of built out for you as a starting step, and all you really need to do is change things like the design, the layout, add your own sections, add your own pages. What you can do first is update the colors and fonts, and this is really good. This is a good first step, as you want to make sure that the site is continuously using your font, your brand's theme color, your brand's font, and things like that. So what you want to do is go into the design part at top, and you want to click into colors, and you want to look at the different color schemes that there are. Right now with those Site123, if you're on the free version, they'll have a range of different color features and color palettes set up. However, if you wanted to use your own custom colors, it is part of the paid plan, and you'll need to upgrade to one of their plans as well. But if you're not wanting to upgrade so soon now, they do have a range of different color palettes to choose from. It's a good way to kind of get started and see if the site builder is what you need and will make sense for you to purchase in the future. So you can go through each of the color palettes and see which one kind of makes sense for you, and then later when you upgrade, you can update with your own colors. The next thing you can also do is the fonts. So if you click into fonts here, and again, they'll have different font pairings. You can see here with a little preview as well, and you can click on them to kind of preview all of the font pairings across your website. But again, if you wanted to use your own custom font pairings, then you would need to upgrade to one of their plans. But otherwise, again, similar to the color palettes, there's loads of different font pairings that you can use, so it's not like you're limited that much when it comes to using the free version. The next thing that you want to do is edit the header and footer, and this is really easy. All you need to do is click into the header section on the top toggle bar here, and you can customize things like showing different social networks, showing the phone numbers, showing emails, things like that. And all you need to do is just toggle each of these things to decide if you want to show it or not. And then once you've toggled it, then all you need to do is just click on edit to edit like the phone number, and then you can edit the social networks and things like that. It's also up to you if you want to arrange them in different sections. So the call to action buttons, we have social network, email and phone, but what we can do is just change the arrangement as well. Simple drag and drop, and then that changes the header. If you click on footer and scroll down, you can see all of the footer layouts, and there's different sort of layouts here, and it's up to you if you wanted to add different call to actions and different layouts as well, and different features. What's really good about this builder is that it is very drag and drop. So for example, we have this homepage that's already built out for us. Maybe we want to add another kind of layout as well. So all we need to do is, for example, this section here, we can click into templates and we can pick from one of the templates that's already set up for us, and then just apply that to our site as well. You can also just change specifically this layout if everything else is fine, but you want to maybe change the background color. You get the options of what you can change for each section when you click into each of the section. To change contents, for example, we have this content here. It's really easy to change text content. You just click into the text and then just type in the actual text that you want it to show. And again, you just want to click on adding each section and focusing on what you want to add, and edit the background colors, edit the text exactly how you need it. The next thing that you want to do is add pages. So right now we have the home, blog and a contact us page, but maybe we also want to add an about us page. So what you want to do is go into the page at the top and you want to click on add new page. And there's different ways you can go about it. You can add a page based on what's popular, or you can just look into directly what kind of page that you want. So we want to do an about us page, so I'm going to, in the search bar, I'm going to click on about, and it's going to show me about a bunch of about sections as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one of the sections, and that is our about page. And again, all I need to do is change the layouts if I wanted to. I can click into layouts, and then other than that I can change the content as well. I can choose an image, I can choose several images, I can choose a video as well. And then just edit exactly how I need to. Once you're done with everything, you can click on publish, and this is the bit where you may need to update as well. So if we go back to the dashboard, you can see currently our domain name is this series of random letters and numbers, and this is because we are still on the free site. what we want to do is use one of the domains, either the one that they suggest or one that we may already have. In order to do that, we need to click on Upgrade Now and upgrade to one of their hosting plans. So you can see they've got different plans from Gold to Basic, starting at like £10 a month to about £16 a month. Keep in mind that these are the promotional time offers. So once the promotion is done, then if you're paying the full price. In this case, if you go for Gold, it's about £27.45. The main difference between all of these is the mailing list messages, so the amount of messages that you can send. If you're on the basic plan, you can't send any mailbox messages and you don't get any mailbox. But then from then on, you can send. There's a limit to how many mailing list messages you can send. There's a limit to the mailboxes, and in terms of e-commerce, the e-commerce side, you will need to have the professional and Gold plans in order to be able to make a certain amount of orders every month as well. So with the free plan, you can create your basic website with limited features. It does include the 500 MB storage, the 123 subdomain, and branding on your site. The premium site will offer the 4 premium plans, and they vary in storage, they vary in features as well. So what are some benefits of using AI to create websites? The first one, as we talked about, is time efficiency. So AI website creators automate a lot of the aspects of web development, including reducing the time required to build a website. And with AI generated templates, pre-designed elements, and content suggestions, you can create a website in a fraction of the time it would take to build it manually. AI powered websites also have the intuitive interface with drag and drop functionality, making it accessible to individuals with limited technical skills or coding knowledge. You don't need to be a web development expert to create a professional looking website anymore. Traditional website development can be expensive, requiring the use of web designers or developers, and AI website creators provide that at a cost-effective alternative, as they eliminate the need for extensive custom coding or outsourcing development tasks as well. Branching off from that, AI website creators allows users to build websites without writing a single line of code, and this can empower a lot of individuals and small businesses who lack programming skills or lack the funds to create their online presence independently. AI-powered tools often provide a wide range of professionally designed templates that ensure a consistent and visually appealing look for your website, and the templates are typically optimized for different devices as well, offering a responsive design from the very beginning. AI algorithms can analyze your content requirements and provide suggestions for text and images based on the industry or the topic or the style of your website. And this can be helpful in generating content ideas and ensuring your website is engaging and also relevant. AI website builders can automate certain tasks, such as software updates, security patches, and plugin management. This helps keep your website up to date and secure without requiring manual intervention. And some AI website creators incorporate SEO and recommendations to help your website search engine visibility. These tools can help provide insights on optimizing meta tags, keywords, and content structure, helping you enhance your website's organic search engine rankings as well. And lastly, integration and scalability. So AI website builders often offer integrations with various third-party tools and services like e-commerce platforms, email marketing, and analytics tools as well. And this allows you to extend the existing functionality of your website and scale it as your business grows. Overall, AI-powered website creators simplify the web development process, making it more accessible, efficient, and cost-effective for all individuals and businesses to establish an online presence. However, while AI website creators offer lots of benefits, they do come with potential disadvantages. The first one being limited customization. So AI website builders typically provide a set of templates and predefined design options. While customization is possible within these limitations, you may not have the same level of flexibility and control as you would with manual coding. This can restrict your ability to create a truly unique or highly tailored website. Since AI website builders often rely on templates, there is a risk that your website might have a similar appearance to other websites using the same templates. This can make it challenging to stand out and create a distinctive brand identity as well. There is a learning curve and a limitation on skill as well. So although AI website builders aim to simplify the website creation process, there can still sometimes be a learning curve involved in understanding and navigating the platform itself. Additionally, while AI tools eliminate the need for coding, they may not cater to advanced users or those with specific technical requirements who prefer to have more control over the code as well. When using AI website builders, it's essential to consider the privacy and ownership of your website's data, so ensure that you review the terms and conditions of the platform to understand how your data is handled, and if you retain ownership of your content as well. When using AI website builders, you are reliant on the platform and its ongoing availability. If the platform experiences technical issues, or it goes offline or shuts down, it can disrupt your website's functioning and support. The dependency could potentially affect your website stability and long-term viability as well. AI technology is continuously evolving, and the features and support provided by AI website creators can change over time. So it's really important to assess the platform's commitment to ongoing updates, improvements, and customer support to ensure that the website remains up to date and well supported in the long run. While these disadvantages do exist, AI website creators are constantly evolving, and many providers are actively addressing these limitations to offer more customization options and cater to a wider range of website requirements as well. So it's important to evaluate your specific needs and consider whether an AI website builder aligns with your goals and your expectations as well. So now let's have a look at some popular AI website creators that are out there. And that's a wrap for our review on Framer AI and some AI website builders. I hope you find this exploration informative and inspiring. If you've enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all things tech, design, and innovation, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Feel free to leave your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. And until next time, keep designing, keep developing, and keep innovating. Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you in the next one.